Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you all are good at home. This is your English teacher and I am back with some amazing stuff for you. Welcome to the Zoom online class summary of class 4. So alhamdulillah we had started unit number 2. Unit number 2 we have rainbows. I wonder, it's a poem. Okay, it's a poem. We are going to read the poem, then I am going to explain you rainbows, the colors of rainbows. First of all, before reading this poem, you should all know what is a rainbow. A rainbow is an arch of colors visible in the sky after rain. It is an arch means curved colors. Okay, it's curve shaped colors visible in the sky after rain. So how the rainbow is formed and what is the procedure, how the colors are in the and what are the colors in a rainbow, we are going to read about this. But first give me a background. Let me give you a background of this poem. This poem is basically in this poem the the poet told us that it's a little child is looking around at all the natural beauties of nature and is thinking, who made all these beautiful things, who made all these wonderful things. He asked many questions about different things and the questions are mentioned here. So we are going to start this, then I am going to give you the concept of rainbow. Okay, I wonder why the grass is green and why the wind is never seen. Okay, one more important thing in this one more important thing in the poem is that it always have a rhyme in this poem. What is the main difference of this is the poem has a rhyme. Okay, it's a rhyme sense in it. For example, the words like, for example, green seen, green seen, both are the both have the similar sounds. ठीक है, मिलते जुलते sound है इनके. These are called the rhyming words. So it has the rhyming. The main feature of the poem is that it has rhymes in it. Okay, it has a rhyming nature in it. Okay, I wonder why the grass is green and why the wind is never seen. Who taught the birds to build a nest and told the trees to take a rest? Oh, when the moon is not quite round, where can the missing bit be found? Who lights the stars, why they blow out, and makes the lighting flush about? Who paints the rainbow in the sky and hangs the fluffy clouds so high? Why is it now, do you suppose, that Dad won't tell me if he knows? So in this poem, basically, it's a little child looking around the different, looking around the nature and thinking, who made this grass so green? How we can never, why we can't see the wind, as we can only feel the wind. We can never see the wind, but it exists. And who taught the birds to build a nest? Who just plant these trees here? And why the trees are still in one position for the whole life? And then he says that, and then he thinks that when the moon is not quite round, that means when जब हमारे पास चांद different days का होता है, when the moon is of different days, it is like of different shades. Like for example, at the very start, the moon is like this. Here, like this. The moon is like this. Okay, the moon is like this. Then after days and days and days, it starts to be, it's of like this, and when after different stages it becomes the full moon on I guess on its 14th or 15th day it becomes a full moon. So he is wondering that when the moon is not quite round, where can the missing bit be found? Like where is the missing part of it can be found? Okay, and who lights the stars when they blow out? Okay, when the stars appears at night on the sky, who told them to blow out? And makes the lighting flash about, and who makes them to shine? Who paints the rainbow in the sky? Who gives the orders to the rainbow, or who paints the rainbow in the sky? As a Muslim, we all know that all these are the blessings of God, blessings of Allah. But children are always children. Okay, then and hangs the fluffy clouds so high, so high. Have you ever wondered this thing that, like looking at the sky, looking at the clouds? Have you ever wondered this thing that how the clouds are hanging in the sky so high, like without any support, without anything, it's hanging in the sky. Who hangs the fluffy clouds? Then why is it now? Do you suppose? Can you think, can you imagine? That dad won't tell me if he knows. That means, this line means that if my dad knows all these answers of the questions, why he never told me about all these things? So, we are going to do words meanings now. Wonder. Wonder means desire to know something. Taught means instruct. Build means make or construct. Bit means small piece of something. Then found, recovered or saved. Like for example, where is the bit of the moon can be found, means where we can see this. Flash means shine. Fluffy, soft. Suppose, expect. And this is the rainbow of different rainbow, and it consists of different colors. So it was all about the poem. Now let's just come here at this paragraph, that is, what makes a rainbow? What makes a rainbow? I am going to give you a depiction of the rainbow, that is here. Look at the picture. This is sun. Sun gives us light, that is sunlight. Sunlight is white light, it's a white light, okay. The normal see-through colors that is everywhere. When you came out in the day, at the daytime, you can see the white light all over, okay. That is the sunlight, okay. When the sun shines through raindrops, it hops back, okay. This is the white light. When this light रिफ्लेक्ट हेयर, ठीक है, जब लाइट रेन ड्रॉप्स पर पड़ती है या पानी पर पड़ती है, इट होप्स बैक, ठीक है. The raindrops act a bit like a mirror. Here, at this time, the raindrops are acting like a mirror, ठीक है. As it is reflecting back, it breaks up the light. So what it do that when the sunlight जब इस पर पड़ती है, it hops back and it converts into it breaks into 7 colors, ठीक है. हर एक ड्रॉप से अलग अलग कलर निकलता है. All together, millions and millions of raindrops create a rainbow. Here you can see the white light is up on all the raindrops, and each of the raindrop creates a new color, and thus this light break forms a rainbow. Okay, this light break forms a rainbow. White light breaks into 7 different colors. We all know that rainbow has 7 colors. And what are these colors? These are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. Okay. This was a diagram of raindrops. Let's just see it how when the sunlight जब पड़ती है on a pond or a lake or a river after rain, ठीक है, after rain, when the sky is very clear कि हमें वो नज़र आए rainbow, clouds, there is no cloud on the rain. So when जब sunlight पानी पर पड़ती है, it hops back and it creates into different colors, ठीक है. One more thing, remember boys, we can always see the rainbow in a clear weather, ठीक है. जब भी मौसम साफ होता है तभी हम रेनबो को देख सकते हैं. And yes, with one raindrop you can never form a rainbow. Millions and millions of raindrops create a rainbow, okay. So this was about the colors. अगर आप colors के बारे में पढ़ रहे हैं, you should always know this thing that we have 2 types of colors. Primary colors, that is red, blue, yellow, and secondary colors, that is purple, green and orange. By adding 2 colors, we made another color. For example, yellow and blue. When we mix yellow and blue color, we get a green color. When we mix red and yellow color, we get the color orange, and when we mix blue and red color we get the color purple. Okay, so इन्हीं primary colors को use करते हुए, इन्हीं को mix up करते हुए we get all these new different colors. So try this at home. Doing this you can use your paints, watercolors, or you can use the crayons. Yes, the crayons. Let me just show you doing one red, and let's just take a red and purple. I am doing it here, okay boys, for you. When we mix a red color with blue color, see, what is this? Which color is that forming? See here, let me do it a bit dark. Isn't it giving this color? Isn't it, no? So it's a purple color. So I was right. Try this at home. So this was all about today's lecture. Inshallah, we'll meet you in the next class. Till then, stay tuned, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.